Hello, my name is Roland and welcome to my channel. During this video, I'm going to try to make 20 different floor plans using a new AI called Plan Finder. Let's see if this AI can build 20 floor plans in a row. I am using Revit 2023 because Plan Finder is not available for 2024 yet. Now, I'm going to try to make the 20 different floor plans using AI. I'm going to start with the first one, click on the wall and select rectangular, draw an external wall. The maximum size is 30 by 50. So let's use the maximum size. I'm going to use the maximum size, 30 by 50. So this is the size of the external wall. From this size, I'm going to copy and create 20 of them. I have already created 20 instead of wasting time. So I have here 20 external walls. Now I'm going to start using the AI to generate each design. This is the 3D view of these 20 external walls. I'm going to make the first design. I go to Plan Finder, click on Fit, click one side of the design, the other side of the wall. The free version gives you 8 choices, and this is the paid version, so I have 12. Let's check it. Sometimes there is an error message. Usually I just click on delete and fix it later. Delete. Now I have my first design. We can check the 3D view. This is the first apartment design or floor plan design. It has everything: the living room, dining room, kitchen, and there is a table here and another table. This is a bedroom. Let's make it fine, more realistic. Kitchen, and this is a sink. So this is the first design. Now I'm going to work on the next design. It's weird already, these two designs look similar, except the door here is opening outside and this door is opening inside. I don't need to keep going because it is creating exactly the same design. Now, since it is failing already, I'm going to select the second suggestion of each design. So I go to Fit, click here, and then the next. Okay. And next. Okay. What I have noticed, it's just a mirror view of the previous design. Now let's try to use the third one, Fit. This is different. So the third, it seems like the third also is just similar to the other one. Now what I'm going to do is to modify the size of the drawing just to see if the first one is going to look different now than the second one. We go to Fit. This is different. To try the other one. This is also different. It seems like we have to have different shape or sizes to generate a different floor plan. This is based on what I have done so far. If this is the previous size, they all look the same again. Now for the rest of the video, I'm going to select a new suggestion. So this is number 3. Okay. Number 4. Number 5. This one, the wall is not connected to all these walls, so you have to move it to connect. This one, I'm going to select the last one. The last 4 plans. Select here. So number 10. This is the 20 floor plans Plan Finder has created. This is amazing. However, when we select the same size, the plugin seems to suggest the same design over and over. This is something maybe they will fix, but the first 6 plans I have created, they all look similar. So I didn't expect this. Unfortunately, there are some bugs that this company need to fix. Now, when I changed the size, it suggested a different design. So maybe if I like to create 20 plans, they all have to have a different size. This is what I learned. Now, this is the end of this video. If you like it, thank you for watching, and please like if you like it and subscribe. I will create more challenging videos like this so that I'm learning a new program as well I'm sharing with you. Thank you and see you soon.